Most peripherals plug into the standard connectors on the back of the console. As mentioned in the chapter on the mouse, because USB devices do not require the computer to be switched off first, USB peripherals are simple and easy to connect. Always read the instruction manual for any hardware that you wish to connect, and follow these instructions very carefully. Most are very easy to install yourself. If unsure, especially for the first time, enlist the help of a friend or family member who's done it before. When installing hardware, and in fact this also applies to installing software, make sure you close all files and applications first. Also check your system tray and close all programs like pop-up stoppers and antivirus software. You don't want the software to interrupt anything you're about to install.